What's going on, guys? It's Austin here. Today I'm back with a video on the 3 Series Gran Turismo 3GT, F34, 328 GT. It's got all the names in the world. Call it whatever you want. But today I'm here with this beaut. Now, why I'm making a video on this, I love this car. This car pretty much is the reason why I'm gonna start making YouTube videos. So, and I know it gets a lot of hate. I know it's like a lift gate hatch thing people hate, but I love it. I do. Got the active arrow back there, super unique. And this is the long wheelbase version of the 3 Series, so that in itself is kind of unique too. Obviously it being the F34, not just the long wheelbase, but it has the long wheelbase. China got that. I think Australia maybe, or somewhere in the oceanic territory. But yeah, I mean, it's got its quirks. It's unique. It's awesome. I love it. There's not much I can say that I dislike about the vehicle. I made sure I got the good N26 engine, 2016. That's my year for the vehicle. It's 2016. Built late 2015, so it's got all the components, and it hasn't caused me any problems. It's got its little quirks. Like I said, it's the regular F chassis wear with these weird ass door handles that are sticky, right? And then this trim piece on a majority of the doors, at least I think those two, at least I think this one's not as bad either. Those silver trims are going, but other than that, nothing crazy. This thing's got insane this thing's got insane legroom. I have the seats down because I was trying to show that. Insane legroom, insane space. Put the seats down, like I said, or like I had shown. And the trunk space, by the way, is insane. There's a little table, tonneau cover type ordeal back there for the hatch. And yeah, like back here, there's so much room. I could literally lay back here, fall asleep, maybe. I mean, there's so much room. So, oh yeah, this is if the 3 Series wanted to be an X3. It's pretty much I don't want to say it's an X4 because of the hatch thing. That's wrong too. But they killed this, and then they came out with the the 4 Gran Coupe. So that, I guess it would, be the predecessor to that. So I'm missing a wheel cap there. I got a scratch there. Those two things bother me about the vehicle. Lost the wheel cap recently. Scratch has always been there. I want to get fixed. Other than that, this thing it's a beaut. I get it. It's got its weird styling features, like that lift gate back there. I understand people hate it, but I love it, man. I think the active arrow is pretty unique. I think this in itself is awesome. You get your little table workstation right here, and of course I got my toolbox in here, or rather my tool case. Jump pack, can't go wrong with that. I've replaced the battery in this. I've done the brakes. Actually, the rears need to be done. I've done the fronts, and I've replaced 90% of the front light bulbs. I think everyone except for one has gone out, and I have a light bulb right here actually for number 5. So this thing, for what it is, super reliable. N26, the super low emissions version, people say it's slightly more reliable than N20. I don't know. It's the same engine for the most part. One's just got more emissions restrictions. I think it's technically got a little less horsepower than N20. But this thing has a $128 on it. Let's see here. Yeah, why do we do this? Because I have my keys in my pocket? Sometimes this car making me look silly. 128, 478. So, yeah, I would say that's pretty good. I like to run it in Eco every now and then, Eco Pro down here, and then I have Sport Plus because I have paddle shifts. So that's cool too. It's got the sport package. I would assume that's the sport package. I'm still kind of, all these years, I'm still kind of confused by the options. But oh yeah, so I mean, this thing is super, I don't want to say it's super reliable, but no problems. No problems at all. I've done all my oil changes, obviously. Zero problems. This needs to be cleaned. I've done my air filters. I mean, like, this thing is, it's, some might say I got lucky, and I've heard that. Oh, you're lucky. Listen, bro, I did my homework. I made sure I got the right version of this car, the right year. Sure, the miles are a little high, but who gives a fuck, dude? I take care of my shit. So, I mean, that's the main thing. So, the wing, cool. This button right here allows you to operate it up and down. I don't have the car on. I don't have the ignition on, so it won't do anything. But this is so unique to the vehicle itself. God forbid this goes wrong, it's a $1,400 part. But other than that, you know, no problem. The other thing is, it's a black on black. It's super common color scheme. Gets dirty super quick. I just got a car wash. Look at that dirt already. You can't see it from far away, but wow. Up close you can see it. I hate it. I hate that. It upsets me. But other than that, it is a beaut. It is truly a beaut. So, yeah, I get the hate. It's not deserved, though. It's not deserved. This thing is one of the most underrated BMWs, I would say. And I get it's not the most precious looking, but it is to me, so I love it. It is more of a boaty feel. That I can attest to. Definitely handles like a boat a little bit. I also have rear heated seats. Now, how often do you see a 3 Series with rear heated seats? Rear heated seats, wow. So, enough for showing that shebang off. Listen, guys, I appreciate for watching. Just a quick video glossing over the F34, the 328 GT, and why I love this thing, and why you should get one if you are obviously interested. So, again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys want to see more 3 Series content or Corolla content, even though that thing is on its last leg, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.